Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. So it's a small innovative idea. From now on, I would be leaving small bits of videos in my channel which would neither be the solutions to some issue or neither they will leave some question mark in your mind, but you will stay in an unstable state wherein you will have either solutions, neither your solution works, or it will leave some ideas in your mind. So let's go on to the topic here. So it is about the current state of our surroundings. We have been harnessing lots of rainfalls from about 3 days, and I have gone through an article which states that there's lots of floods, lots of water getting wasted into the seas. Yes, we have gone through many solutions for this, water harvesting, all these kinds of measures are there. But I just came across some new important point here. What is that? Let me go through that now. So, there's lots of water getting wasted into the seas. Lots of rivers and lakes are flowing, and finally the water is getting mixed into the seawater and readily for human use. So, why is this happening? What is the major reason for it? We have been also hearing about the commercialization of land, and because of the urbanization, the agricultural lands and the good soil is being converted into the concrete spheres, wherein lots of constructions, the huge growth in population, and we can see that in the census report from years together. What exactly is the report saying? There is a growth of population and there is no control on the population. So when it comes to India, it has been a drastic increase in the population levels. So the demand for the land is growing, and so the demand for stay and housing is also growing. So what is happening? All the agricultural lands, all the lands wherein soil gets exposed directly to the rainfall is being converted into concrete lands. So there is less capacity of the land available for absorbing the rainwater. All the lands which are currently available are getting changed into the lands which are not available for taking the water inside. So there is no seepage of water. The water doesn't go underground, and we cannot retain the water in underground, the fresh water which is available. So all the water which comes onto the earth is just getting flowed away into the rivers and lakes, and it is mixing with the seawater. Finally, it's a big waste. Are we really doing something great? Once upon a time, maybe coal was a renewable resource, but today it is considered as a fossil fuel which is not renewable. It's a conventional sources of energy. As long as we study today that rainfall, sunlight may be renewable resource, but just because we're not able to see the end of it. But one fine day will surely come wherein you can't find water everywhere around you. There's a shortage of drinking water. There's shortage of water for use. In such a case, it will become a non-renewable resource. It is very sooner going to happen, and it's going to appear. Can we not do something to save this water? Can we act as a human to save our environment? Is it possible? Not to change the agricultural lands into commercial structures. Is it possible? There are so many land use plannings which are happening around us, initiatives being taken by the government. Can we support them? So it's just a question mark for every one of you. It's a small thought-provoking process that we are one of the reasons for the floods. We are the reasons for the water getting wasted into the seas. We are the reason for depleting the natural resources which are available for future generations. I don't want it to say that it is only we, but yes, we are a part of it. So if we play our part well, for sure we can bring a small difference. Please think and save the Mother Nature. Thank you very much.